Hi everyone! From doodles to amazing images in the style you desire. Yes, for free. Can you believe this? Wow! Let's learn how. It's quick and easy. Step 1. Go to clipdrod and choose Stable Doodle with this cute owl over here. Step 2. Choose the pencil and start drawing. Below, you can describe it and choose its style. As you can see, I'm not an art major for obvious reasons. Once you get the results in less than 40 seconds, click on the images and download the ones you want. Unbelievable, right? Okay, but let me show you more examples. Here's a doodle of a princess. As you can see, I really need AI's magic. What do you think of the results? Truly awesome. You can also try objects or landscapes because it works. That's it for today. I'll let you fiddle with it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think of it in the comments. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best tools out there. Thanks for watching.